Ready to inject some serious fun and creativity into your illustrations? Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator and build a cool Stickman room from scratch. First, we'll start with the basics using the rectangle tool. Create a rectangular shape to represent the room's floor. Fill it with a color you like, maybe a brown shade for wood. Now, let's add the walls. Use the rectangle tool again to draw to more rectangles. These will be the walls. Position the walls around the floor shape to make sure it looks accurate. Experiment with filling the rectangles with different colors, perhaps a light blue or a pastel color to add a bit of depth. Next up, we're drawing our Stickman. Select the ellipse tool for the head and then, using lines, create the Stickman's body, arms, and legs. You can choose to draw the lines using the line tool. Make sure to position the Stickman in a way that fits your design. The floor and the walls will help you arrange the proportions. Time to personalize this Stickman. Add some quick details like a face using the ellipse tool for the eyes and a simple line for the mouth. Then, let's add some cool items, a basic shape for something like a window or a picture frame above the Stickman. Fill those details with different colors and get creative. Make sure everything looks great. Layers are your best friend for this. Use the Layers panel to keep everything organized. You can rearrange elements by dragging the order of layers and group elements that belong together. This helps you easily edit parts of your illustration later. Want some extra details? Duplicate the Stickman in the room, add a simple shape for a TV and use the rectangle tool again for a door. Finally, ensure that all these elements get appropriate colorings. Go wild with your creativity. And that wraps it up. You've successfully constructed a Stickman room in Illustrator. Now go and let your imagination run wild to make your own cool Stickman scene.